Hey, skincare enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going back to basics with some easy, natural skincare treatments you can whip up right at home. These DIY recipes are not only effective, but also free from harsh chemicals. Ready to pamper your skin with nature's best? Let's dive in. We're starting with some of my favorite ingredients: honey, avocado, and oats. These are skincare powerhouses, packed with nutrients that can hydrate, soothe, and brighten your skin naturally. First up, let's make a soothing oatmeal and honey face mask. This one's great for calming irritated skin and adding moisture. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of oats, tablespoon of honey. Mix it all together until you get a paste-like consistency. Apply it to your face, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft and refreshed. This mask is perfect for a little self-care moment. It's gentle enough for all skin types and leaves your skin feeling nourished and smooth. Next, let's hydrate. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that deeply moisturize the skin, while yogurt helps to exfoliate and brighten. Here's how to make it. 1 hot ripe avocado. Tablespoons of plain yogurt. Mash the avocado until it's smooth, then mix in the yogurt. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off. This mask is like a drink of water for your skin. If your skin feels dry or dull, this mask is a must-try. It's rich, creamy, and super hydrating. Just what your skin needs for that healthy glow. Want to brighten your complexion? Let's make a DIY brightening scrub using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: lemon and sugar. This scrub helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and reveal a brighter, smoother complexion. For this brightening scrub, you'll need 1/2 lemon juice, tablespoon of sugar, a few drops of olive oil. This scrub is amazing for getting rid of dullness and giving your skin a radiant boost. Just be sure to use it only once or twice a week to avoid over-exfoliating. And there you have it, 3 simple, natural skincare treatments you can make at home. Whether you need hydration, soothing, or brightening, these DIY recipes have got you covered. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below.